Do you recycle now? Why?
I don't normally recycle now. I think it's just that I'm not quite used to it. Sometimes I reuse plastic containers or glass bottles, but not that often.
Did you recycle when you were a kid?
I think I did, sometimes. There were some kind of school campaigns going on about recycling, so I remember I participated in it quite enthusiastically.
Will you recycle in the future?
I will try. I know it's important for tackling green issues and reducing the amount of rubbish, so I will figure out how it can be done and try to get it started. I'm going to talk about Amazon, where I frequently buy some stuff from. I usually use the UK one whenever I need to buy something. I've purchased quite a lot of things, but recently, I use this website to buy books. There are some books which are not sold in Korea, so it's really useful. Also, sometimes I buy some gifts for my friends from this website. I'm generally satisfied with my purchases. I particularly like their delivery system. Unlike other websites, Amazon guarantees quick delivery, so I can get my purchased products quite quickly. I really like this website. As I mentioned earlier, I like it because of the delivery system. It usually takes quite some time to receive something from overseas websites to Korea, but by using this website, it usually takes only about a week. Also, it's easy to search and compare prices on this website. It might be just me, I normally struggle with sorting products on websites when I'm buying something, but as it's simple to use, I can find what I want easily. I think it's a very useful website indeed.
What kinds of things do people in your country often buy from online shops?
Everything, literally. Well, in Korea, online shopping is very well developed, so people can buy anything online. People purchase everything from groceries to furniture.
Why do you think online shopping has become so popular nowadays?
It's really convenient. People don't really need to go outside to buy something, and they don't need to carry heavy things, either. Also, with the COVID outbreak, people can't go outside, so people just shop online.
What are some possible disadvantages of buying things from online shops?
Well, products don't exactly look the same as pictures on websites. When they are delivered, consumers might feel dissatisfied with the actual product. Another drawback would be the quality of products. People can't estimate the product quality by just looking at pictures.